Hey, garden lovers! Want to turn your yard into a cozy, colorful masterpiece this fall? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned green thumb, this 3-minute guide will help you plant smarter, not harder. Today's topic: how to plant a stunning autumn garden. This is TN Nursery YouTube channel. Be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss a bloom. Why fall is the best time to plant? Fall isn't just for pumpkin spice and sweaters. It's prime planting season. Cooler temps reduce transplant shock, while warm soil boosts deep root growth. That means stronger root systems, less watering needed, fewer pests, bigger blooms come spring. As Tammy Sons from TN Nursery says, planting in fall gives your landscape a massive head start. Cooler temps, steady rain, and less stress help roots establish before spring. Want instant color and pollinator power? Add these top fall bloomers from TN Nursery: black-eyed Susans, bright yellow petals and a deep brown center, loved by bees and butterflies. Coneflowers, echinacea, hardy, colorful, and a late-season favorite for pollinators. Coreopsis, cheerful golden blooms that last well into fall. Goldenrod, a native pollinator magnet with vibrant golden plumes. Asters, cool-toned daisy-like flowers that bloom late and attract tons of butterflies. These easy-care natives bring long-lasting color to your borders, beds, and pollinator gardens, all available now at TN Nursery. Trees and shrubs to plant this fall will anchor your garden for years. TN Nursery recommends red maple, fast-growing with fiery leaves, dogwood, gorgeous fall color and spring flowers, hydrangeas, all-season beauty. Forsythia and redbuds, early bloomers that love fall roots. Plan ahead for fall. Pre-order your trees today and enjoy a buy one, get one free offer. Limited time only. Don't miss out on double the beauty for half the price. And now, ultimately, here are your essential tips on how to plant a stunning autumn garden. A thriving garden begins with healthy soil, and there's no better time than autumn to build that strong foundation for seasons of growth ahead. Enrich the soil. Work in nutrient-rich compost and shredded leaves. As they break down through the winter, they naturally feed the soil and improve its texture. Feed with care. Mix in well-aged manure or sow green manure crops like clover or rye. These enrich the soil with organic matter and boost nitrogen levels naturally. Mulch for protection. Add a thick layer of mulch. Straw, bark, or leaf mold are excellent choices. Mulching helps lock in moisture, regulate soil temperature, and protect beneficial microbes. Water wisely. Water only when the soil feels dry to the touch. Let autumn rains handle most of the moisture needs, and avoid overwatering during the cooler months. And now, the vital reminder: the success of your garden starts beneath the surface. By tending to your soil now, you're setting the stage for vigorous roots, vibrant blooms, and resilient plants in spring. With just a bit of care and preparation, this season, your garden will reward you with beauty, color, and life for years to come. For more info on beautiful plants for sale, head over to tnnursery.net, your go-to source for top-quality native trees, shrubs, perennials, and so much more. Thanks for spending time with us here at TN Nursery YouTube channel. We truly appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more easy, inspiring gardening tips straight from TN Nursery, we'll see you in the next video. Happy planting!